Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about generational wealth. Okay, today's breaking news was Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter for $43 billion so it can be transformed as a private company. Now, basically what happened was Elon Musk bought the company shares about 2 months ago. He started buying Twitter shares. He acquired a 9% stake on April 4th. He became a major shareholder of Twitter. Now, Elon Musk has expressed during TED Talk today that he doesn't feel like Twitter is complete free speech platform, and he wants to make some changes. Okay, so Elon Musk has offered a share price of $54.20 a share, or $43 billion. So basically, before Elon owned the stock was trading around $35, $38 per share. He has almost added a 40% to 50% value to the share price since he has made public that he owns the stock. Okay, and he's saying if you guys take the current share price at $54, he'll take the company private. Out of all his wealth, since he is one of the richest persons in the world, that he'll just buy out the company. Okay, and he'll make the changes as he believes fit. Okay, Twitter has not really responded. They have said they are reviewing their offer, and today at 5 o'clock Eastern they had an all hands meeting. Okay, so Elon Musk, more likely he's just blowing smoke. He probably will not get to buy the company for $54.20 a share, even though that's a great share price, way above the regular share price of $38, $40 per share. That's well above it, but I do not think that Twitter board or the leadership at Twitter will release the company for that price. But who knows what could happen. Also, other people could come out of the woodworks. In the past, Salesforce has expressed interest in Twitter before. It is a big to do on social media, but I don't really think it's worth $43 billion. Okay. All right. So that was the news. Let me get to my portfolio. Today was another down day. Portfolio was down a little over 2.80% on the day. There was a few bright spots, Nike and the like. There was a few bright spots. If we take a look, I was just preparing this. Let's see here. Nike was up today slightly. Also, Nucor was up 1% as well. So there was quite a few stocks up, but for the most part, we were down in the market today. As you can see, Nike Incorporated was up over 4%. We are heading into earnings pretty soon. So Nike again was up today, 4.68%. So that was one of the top stocks of the day. Nike shares popped up to $133.55 per share. Okay, so Nike Footwear Company, a global company, was the top stock. Okay, so let's take a quicker look. See if there was anything else hot in the market. Nucor was up 1.28%. Target, TGT Target was up 1.37. DE or John Deere was up 2.39%. And the S&P volatility index was up 3.70%. So there was a lot of volatility. So as you would expect, the short QQ was up, the UVXY was up, and the S&P short was up as well. So those were the shorts. I did a video on that, I think on Monday or Tuesday. Check them out. Check that video out. All right. And Bassett Furniture was up 1.87%. So those were the top stocks. So the big news was Twitter. Twitter was attempted to be bought by Elon Musk. He has put an offer on the table. He has offered $43 billion, or roughly share price of $54.20 per share. Meanwhile, the share price was trading at $38 a little over 2 weeks ago. So he's offering quite a bit of a premium for the current shares on Twitter. Elon Musk feels the platform is not free speech enough. In some of his comments, he wants to make the black box algorithm that promotes or demotes tweets. He wants to make it open source, put it on like a GitHub site, and have other developers tweak the algorithm. Okay. Here's another article here. It says Twitter CEO tells employees company not held hostage by Musk offer. Again, they had an all hands meeting today. This is reported by Reuters just 54 minutes ago. Okay, so again, I don't think he'll get the company, but Elon Musk is, he's a very aggressive person, and when he gets things in his head, he wants to get them done. Okay. Tesla stocks drop after Elon Musk offers to buy Twitter. The reason why this is a possibility is because Elon Musk, if he doesn't already have financing in place, he would have to liquidate either Tesla shares or borrow against those current Tesla shares. Now, mind you, Elon Musk is worth billions and billions of dollars. In some kind of way, somebody would provide him financing for the collateral of the Tesla shares or the private company SpaceX. Either way, Elon Musk could come up with the money, but we'll see what happens. I don't think it's a matter of financing. It's a matter of Twitter's leadership and board, what they decide to do. Okay, so that's interesting stuff going on today. Tesla shares fall 3.63%. Now let's take a look at the other top stocks of the day. And again, as I mentioned earlier, Nike was up. Nike was my top stock of the day, up 4.68%. Second place was DAL, or Delta Airlines, up 3.12%. So those were my top cash gainers. There was a few stocks that were running hot. If you really like day trading and taking a lot of risk, again, as I mentioned earlier, the SQQ, which is the short of the NASDAQ stocks, was up 6.80%. BLDE, Blade Air Mobility. This is one of the SPAC, special acquisition companies, Blade Air Mobility, which provides helicopters, rides from downtown Manhattan to other short distances, was up 5%. And again, as I mentioned earlier, Nike was up 4.68%. Again, Nike is one of the number one manufacturer of sneakers and other sports apparel. They also do pay a dividend. So I would definitely have Nike in my portfolio as well. Okay. So those were the top stocks. Also, I did see Nucor sneak in here. Nucor Corporation was up 1.28%. Again, Nucor is one of the steel manufacturers. I believe X was up as well earlier today. Earlier today was up as much as 1%. It still trickled up a little bit. It's bumping up against that ceiling of $37 to some change. Again, if you look at the stock on United States Steel, it has come a long way since the $20 range, $23, $22 range. It's now spiked up to $40. Okay, so those were my top stocks of the day. Again, if you wanted to go shopping, there was plenty of opportunities available. If we take a look at the big losers today, a lot of those would be, let's see, Tesla. Tesla was the biggest loser today. Tesla was under $1,000 at $985. Another stock that you could have picked up today was AMD. AMD is under $100 too now, at $92 per share. Also, ChargePoint, if you like the small caps, ChargePoint We haven't shifted fully into EV. Charge point is down to as much as 8% today. Charge point is a great stock if you want to be part of the EV companies. If I was a new investor, I'd have 2 dividend stocks, something like an AMT, CCI, a Tesla, and then maybe a charge point, something high risk. Okay, so try to have 3 stable stocks, something like an Apple, Tesla, and then 2 big dividend stocks, maybe a CCI, Crown Castle, or Verizon. Okay, so just 4 stocks, managing just 4 stocks alone could be a real duty when investing in the stock market. As you can see, the market sold off today. Pretty much we're going into a holiday weekend. So tomorrow the market is closed. And again, we look forward to next week to see what happens. See if Tesla recovers. It is earnings call next week. See which other companies report and see who beats Wall Street estimates and see who gives a full good guidance going forward in the rest of 2022. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. Don't forget to use my Webull or my Robinhood link. And we'll see you on the next video.